Thank you, Jan. I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of our entire organization and our semiconductor team. In the semiconductor industry, when anyone thinks of precision, ASML immediately comes to mind. As the global leader in photolithography, ASML knows nothing can be left to chance. This is why CoorsTek is proud we've been recognized by ASML for our on-time delivery performance this year. This award is particularly meaningful to the CoorsTek team because about 2 years ago, we weren't meeting ASML's requirements for one of their critical parts called the slider. However, through hard work and collaborative support from ASML, we have been able to build a secure supply chain for this critical component. I think many would agree maintaining on-time delivery performance in 2020 has been a challenging test for everyone. I'm extremely thankful for our manufacturing team at CoorsTek that has helped drive this performance.
It is truly an honor to be recognized by ASML for our work on this product, and I echo David's comments. It has been a collaborative effort. In addition, I want to thank our manufacturing team in Hillsboro, Oregon. They worked tirelessly to deliver these improvements in both on-time delivery and yield. Although CoorsTek has been manufacturing ceramics for over 110 years, we're continuously thinking outside of the box as we search for process improvements. This has allowed us to remove historical bottlenecks in our manufacturing process so we can serve our customers faster and with less waste, just as we've seen with ASML. These gains have come in part due to our focus on structured problem solving and the adoption of a tiered communication system, which ensures every team member has what they need when they need it. And this award reinforces that our improvement efforts are paying off, helping us to serve our customers better, faster, and smarter. I want to thank you again, and I look forward to our continued partnership with ASML.
We know that collaboration and communication are at the heart of a successful relationship. That's why we focus on providing open and clear communication with the ASML team. We've also focused on being responsive and easy to do business with by embracing ASML's way of working. Ultimately, we have a strong commitment to support ASML's requirements for quality, logistics, technology, cost, and sustainability. Thank you again. We are proud to be part of making the world measurably better while changing it with you 1 nanometer at a time.
We're not only thankful to be recognized by ASML for this work, but we're also honored to be asked to select a nonprofit organization for a generous donation from ASML. We have selected Family for Families, a nonprofit organization founded by the Coors family that provides financial support for employees during extreme personal hardship. Ongoing financial support is made possible through employee donations matched by the Coors family and supports those in need throughout their portfolio of companies. This year, Family for Families has focused its financial contributions to support employees faced with hardships due to COVID-19. So far, the organization has helped support more than 460 families across the globe during these unprecedented times. This contribution speaks right to the heart and soul of CoorsTek and reinforces our company's strong commitment to family and community. Your donation will provide financial support to many more families as we continue to experience the impact of this global pandemic. On behalf of our executive leadership team and the entire CoorsTek organization, I would like to thank ASML for this generous donation. I look forward to building on the strong foundation that our teams have created and to enhancing the spirit of collaboration that will drive our mutual success into the future. We are all better today because we're working together to create a better tomorrow for all of us. Thank you.